This is the Kewtech KT63DL, a multifunction tester that's built for electricians who demand reliability, performance, and just the right amount of style. It's sleek, affordable, and it's packed with some serious upgrades. Now, in this video, I'll show you why the KT63DL is one of the most popular testers we currently stock, and also why it might be your next go-to tool. So let's get into it. So the KT63DL, it's been a fan favourite for years, and now it's just got even better. The new black fascia, it looks sharp. It replaces the old grey version, giving it a modern, more professional vibe. But the upgrades aren't just about the looks. So check these out. These are ultra slim probe tips designed specifically for push-fit connector blocks. And with gold-plated tips, you're getting consistent, reliable readings every time. So let's actually talk about what this tester can actually do, because it's not all about the looks. This thing is a powerhouse for domestic and light commercial work. Now, here's the highlight of the unit. Anti-trip technology, full no-trip loop testing on RCDs. Plus, it's got low susceptibility to noise interference. So, in translation, more accurate readings and less frustration. PFC and PSC Display. This shows at the same time as your loop reading. So boom, you've got instant data. Insulation testing. You've got 250, 500 and 1000 volt options, with automatic discharge to keep things safe. RCD testing. This includes auto mode with 30 milliamp RCDs and a ramp test to measure tripping currents. Continuity test. It's got built-in lead knolling and hazard-free warning LED for voltages above 25 volts. It's fast, accurate, and hassle-free. You've also got hands-free mode. Now this is cool. It's a dedicated button for hands-free operation. It's a lifesaver when you're in those awkward positions. Now, Kewtech nailed usability on this tester. The rotary dial is simple and precise. The display is crisp and easy to read, even in dimly lit areas. And the layout is intuitive. It's the kind of tool that just works. No learning curve and no messing around. So when you grab the KT63DL, here's what comes in the box. First of all, you've got a distribution board test lead set. You also have a mains lead for loop testing, batteries, so you're ready to go right away, a printed instruction manual, because sometimes we need to look things up, an end-of-line calibration cert, and last but not least, this soft carry bag to keep everything safe. Now, if you want to level up, there are some optional extras, like the light mate kit for quick connections to light fittings. You've got the PAT adapter one, which turns this multifunction tester into a PAT tester, and even the FC2000 calibration checker. So let's hit the specs for those that love a little bit of detail. Continuity testing. Open circuit voltage between 4 volt and 10 volt, with short circuit current over 200 milliamps. Also, as previously mentioned, insulation tests that offer 250, 500 and 1000 volt options. Loop impedance. This measures between 0.00 and 500 ohms with impressive accuracy. RCD testing, rated for tripping voltages between 195 volts and 253 volts AC, with ramp testing in 3 milliamp increments. It's basically all the power and precision you need for everyday testing. And did I also mention that this is IP54 rated? So dust and water splashes, not a problem. This unit is built for the real world. All these features packed into a compact, lightweight design, and also at a price point that's seriously hard to beat. That's why the KT63DL has earned its place as one of the most popular multifunction testers on our shelves. It's reliable, affordable, and ready to work as hard as you do. So, if you're ready to upgrade your tester, the KT63DL is the way to go. So, why not hit the link below and grab yours today? Alternatively, visit our website at www.tester.co.uk. Oh, and while you're there, please hit the subscribe button below and you'll be notified with any future product reviews we do. So thanks for watching, and like always, keep testing.